WhatsApp rolls out shortcut feature to react and reply to media files. The most popular messaging app, WhatsApp, already provides an enhanced user-friendly interface to all users alike. However, the recently integrated feature adds to its UI appeal by letting you reply and react to media files such as videos and images using shortcuts. WhatsApp is constantly working to introduce significantly improved features, and that's why this Meta-owned platform has become a hot topic nowadays. These enhanced features include status privacy confirmation and more. This recent announced shortcut feature is right now being tested by a few beta users, which will be available to all the users soon. The main purpose of the feature is to offer an intuitive way for users all across the globe to express their feelings in a better way and have more interactive conversations with their friends and family. Moreover, users can access other new shortcuts while viewing photos, videos, and much more directly from the media viewer screen. You can use these shortcuts that are placed at the bottom of your screen, which would permit users to reply to messages by showing a new reply option. Meanwhile, the other shortcut would allow to reply to messages rapidly in a specified period.